It is so nice to wake up and give thanks. I have been keeping a planner for, I think, since back 1990. I always have a planner. I get one every year and I write all kinds of stuff in it. What I did at work. I mean, if you want to know anything about me, is to go through my planners over the years and will tell you what I did, what I didn't do, this, that, that. But over the years, the last couple of years since I'm home, my planners, every morning I wake up, I put, I am thankful for life. I'm thankful for excellent health. Every day I write something different. Some days it repeats itself because, again, if I wake up, I pick up the pen and I stand by my planner, whatever is showing up in my mind, I write it. And I am thankful for a lot, a lot, a lot. Our past is our past for a reason. Our past was a lesson, a journey, a challenge, a lot of things we can call it, and it brought us here. Sometimes we go back and look at old photos and we see ourselves and we're like, wow, this is me. Well, in my example, I have upstairs, I have a room and I have a lot of pictures. I just put lots of pictures up there. And I have lots of albums and I go up there and I call this my happy room and I look through it and it is like, it makes me smile. I'm like, that's me. Maybe I should, and tell me if that happens to you. You see a picture of you and you're looking all sexy, beautiful. I hate to delete a picture because to me each one is just good. So if that happens to you, let me know. And then you look at your old pictures and you say, wow, this is me. And you try to recreate that memory, or you say, maybe I should start doing this. I used to, like, back in New York, I love heels. Used to go Jersey City and shop for shoes back in the day. And I love to wear those little thimble heels. And I'll see a picture and I'll be like, maybe I should wear thimble heel again. It's like those memories just come to you. Or, you see something you ate and you're like, I don't even eat that anymore. And it's just those memories, and we try to recreate, and recreating is okay, but it's not everything we need to recreate because some things just need to stay in the past. That's the past. Let's just look at where we are now. Some of us have went through a lot of hurdles to get to where we are now. And we are stronger now than we were. And if we're not strong enough, we at least survived that past. So now, let us enjoy just now, like now. And I am saying that for all of us. Now, let's take a deep breath and just see how important that feels to us. And from there, we take the next step. Let us make now every step we take. Because every step we take is different. Different. When you pay attention to it, just try it for a few minutes. Pause this video. Take one step and just stand there with a clear mind. Just think about it. And if you can't stand and if you can't walk, just close your eyes and imagine and see yourself taking one step and just stay still in that step. You'll see how it feels. And then take the next one. You feel how different they all feel. They are all different. So let us not dwell too long on the past. The past is our power that is pushing us through that tunnel. And that light is looking at us down that tunnel. It's waiting for us to come through. Don't stop. Don't stop. Keep going. Keep moving. Keep walking. The light is waiting for you. It's a good light. It is saying, come, come, come. You have made it through the tunnel. Here is the light. It is bright. Live life. Breathe. You have made it. That past behind you push you through that tunnel to the next chapter in your life. Don't stop. Don't give up. If you have a dream that you want to pursue, go for it. Take the baby steps that you need to go for it. But don't stop. The light over on the other side is saying you are making it through. You are not in the valley. Keep climbing out of that valley because you are almost there. Don't give up. Do not give up. When you get to the other side and you see that light, stand still, put your hands up in the air and say, thank you. I made it through another hurdle and I am okay. I am okay. And regroup and move on to the next thing. If you love makeup and you think you don't do it well, that people are not gonna watch your videos if you want to put them on YouTube, go back to my old, and I'm talking 3 years back, 2019 May, and look at my videos and you will see how far I have come. I did not care about blending. I just wanted to have fun with the makeup. I came on, I did my makeup, I had fun, and I care less what people think. 3 years, some days I don't blend. I just put my makeup on. Face powder, lipstick, eyebrows. Half of the time my eyebrows don't even match each other. One is always smaller than the other, one is bigger than. Do I care? No. I come here to you as a human being, having fun, encouraging you and me to keep moving on. Remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.